Hi, yes. Next topic English Pedagogy for Paper 1 and 2. CTET 2020. Important questions. Score 15 by 15. According to NCF 2005, the position of English language is answer B. Global. A teacher of non-mother tongue language often faces the problem of answer A. Reluctant and unmotivated learners. Learning is a language is all process. Answer B. Inclusive. A Hindi speaking teacher gets a posted off in primary school which is situated in a remote area of Rajasthan. Since she does not know local language, she faces lots of problems. She should dash. C. Use child language as resources while teaching. Constructive approaches to language learning promotes answer A child-centered approach. Silence reading promotes mastery over answer D vocabulary. During reading, if a student is parsing information together as they read a text, keeping track of the what is the happening she is. Answer D. Synthesizing. Problem of spelling errors of your students can be easily solved through answer teaching aids. Child questions also refers to answer B. Questioning tag. Which of the following literally means encoding anecdotes? Answer C. Brief events and episodes. In remedial teaching. Answer D. Teaching, testing and rate reaching and carried out. 12th. Towards have identical sound and special spelling but not related in the meaning. It is known as homonym. A mental block means answer B. Lack of opportunities. Note taking is done. Answer C. During a lecture. In mother tongue, learning habits are formed unconsciously. Answer B. Method or approaches to be adopted to teach a language are determined by answer A. The aim of teaching the language. The chief features of audio language methods is or are. Answer A. Presenting new materials in a dialogue form, much use of taps, language, labs and visual aids, encouragement of mother tongue. The main cause of a learning disability is answer all of these: emotionally, behavioral and cerebral. Match the following: symmetric aspects, listening; phonetic aspects, speaking; graphic aspects, writing; phonetic cum graphic, reading. Answer B. The aim of process teaching is to develop answer all of these: critical thinking, comprehensibility, interesting in reading. A child said that the chairman of the municipality was on leave. The teacher corrected him and asked him to use the chairperson interested in the chairman. The teacher was answer B. Using gender-free language. Listening, speaking, reading and writing are language skills. They are best learned. Answer D. When they are taught in an interrogator manner. The correct sequence of the procedures of prose teaching is answer B. Preparation, presentation, recapitulation, home assignment. Language teacher to make learnt meaningful can honor. Answer C. Provide ample opportunities for the learners. Direct method of teaching English was evolved to overcome the problems of. Answer B. Translation grammar method. The grammar translation method is old method useful to teach classical language. What word translation? What is unit of teaching? No use of AV aids. No practice of speaking. No direct bond between thought and expensive. So answer translation grammar method. Next, Krishna and Taylor as associated with. Answer D. Natural approaches. Which of the following is not true about the bilingual method? Answer A. It involves sand with techniques. The teacher tells a story about the animals. Children make animals noises every time they hear the name of the animal is total physical response. Which of the following methods of teaching cannot be used to interchangeably? What is whether? Answer direct method. Mother tongue is influence can be efficiently minimized in the classroom by. Answer giving inputs from the target language in a single graded manner. What is task-based language learning? A piece of work which enables learning to do any activities. The most important aspects of an effective language classroom is to provide learning with an opportunity to. Answer A. Interact. A good teaching learning material TLM can be best. Answer D. Facilitate the teaching learning process. Which approaches emphasize interaction as the meaning and goal of the learning language? Answer A. Communicative. Iconic mode learning is based on the system of using. Answer C. Images and diagrams. Maximize the participation of the students during teaching in a language classroom as possible through. Answer D. Discussion and demonstration method. Productions of sub-skills associated with. Answer A. Reading. Intensive reading stands for. Answer D. Reading and text in parts for details. Decoding stands for. Answer A. Deciphering the sounds in word and sentence. Scanning is reading activity which helps the learning to form of the text. Answer A. Draw out information. Decorum is spoken English participants too. Answer A. Appropriate gestures. Convention of writing include. Answer proper punctuation. If you are listening to the description of how to reach a specific location, then you are doing. Answer C. Intensive listening. The global listening is not a listening. Answer for specific information. Global listening means knowing a extension listening, means wide or general. The reader only wishes to get the main point of a conversation, frequently done by native speakers. While listening to a speech in English, sometimes view listening to basic units of a sound, a syllable, and a word then of complete speech. The mental process can be described as a bottom-up approach. In learning, the new language multilingualism is answer B, an asset. Little or no attention is given to pronunciation in method. Answer B, grammar translation. When children first started to speak in sentence, their speech can be described as B. Answer B, telegraphic. Which is the lexical word? Answer D, love. Last question in this radio. A sight word is a vocabulary item. Answer C. The reader recognizes and finds meaningful of sight without complicated analysis. Thank you.